How to listen music together on Spotify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can listen to music together on Spotify. Open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for the Spotify app. Now look for updates that may be available for the Spotify app. If there are updates available, then tap on the update option. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Spotify app. In Spotify, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now from the home page, go to the search section and to the search bar. On the search bar, type in the artist or music that you want to listen to together. Now here, just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in one artist name. I'm gonna open their profile. After opening their profile, I'm gonna simply select a random song. You can directly play the song that you want to listen to together. Once you play a song, you will see an interface like this. Now at the bottom left corner, you will see this phone or laptop icon. Tap on it and this kind of menu will open. Now you will need to connect your both devices. Once your devices are connected, tap Start a Session under Start a Group Session. Share the invite link or scan the QR code with your friends. Once they join, everyone can control playback and listen together. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.